Hi folks, it's Crystalline. Today I'm going to be putting together my first IKEA greenhouse cabinet. So I thought I would film the process of that, and let's just get started. Okay, so now I have all of the pieces laid out with their matching pieces, featuring our Pride IKEA bag. Normally I like to try to put together IKEA furniture without looking at the instructions, but there's quite a lot of pieces here, so I think I'm definitely going to need the instructions. And I also want to make sure that this is put together well, so let's get into it. Okay, so now I have the walls of the cabinet and all the sides except the doors on. So up until this point, I have followed the directions in the manual exactly. So I chose to put the two shelving holders here and here. But if you want to put the shelving at different heights, you would need to adjust not only these pieces, you can see there's 3 different heights that you can put it at, but you also have to adjust these pieces, which are the pieces that you put on before you put the back pieces of glass in. So just remember that if you decide to change it up. folks, this is my Milsbo greenhouse cabinet. It's a little uneven on top, so I may mess with the feet. The feet are twisty so that you can adjust the height so I can make it level. But honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. Now that I got the shelves in, thanks to the help of my buddy. And yeah, I guess now all that's left is to put some plants in. All right, folks, so that is gonna do it for my IKEA greenhouse cabinet. At least the putting together phase. I'm obviously gonna put some plants in there, but I want to get some grow lights, and I have to order those because I don't have any extra grow lights, or at least the kind I want right now. So I am going to be looking for some recommendations for grow lights that work well in these cabinets. But until then, I think I'm gonna put some plants in there that will be okay without the extra grow light for a little bit. And yeah, I just wanna get some plants in there so that I can have some plants in the display I built specifically for my plants. Overall, it wasn't too hard or anything. It took me about an hour to put together. Obviously this video is not gonna be that long because I'm gonna fast forward through most of it. But yeah, it's a pretty manageable task to do just by yourself, but I recommend having a buddy in case you need help putting the shelf in at some point, because they are kind of heavy. They are made of glass and metal, so not the lightest materials. But yeah, definitely have a buddy when you're like picking it up from IKEA because it's pretty heavy, and no one wants to get hurt trying to bring home a piece of furniture from IKEA. Yeah, but that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching a really sped up version of me putting this together. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and please give this video a thumbs up. In the comments down below, tell me what your favorite piece of IKEA furniture is. Thanks, everyone.